Ma-convert ba into cash ang imuhang credit card limit? The answer is pwede. Naiuba ng mga credit card companies nag-o-offer o ginani. But of course guys, nana siya'y catch. Ang catch is nana siya'y a little bit of interest. So kintahay, ang imuhang credit limit kay niabot og 200,000 pesos. Dili na tanan i-allow nila na i-convert to cash. Nalay a portion of that. Butang nimo mga 50 to 80%. 200,000, 100,000 diha, pwede nimo ibira as cash. But since you did that, ang gawas ana karon is chargean na kanila og interest. Interest varies. Na uban banks or credit card companies nag-charge og 0.49% per month, na uban 0.79% per month, na pa uban 1.29% per month. Kaning imuhang credit limit nagi-convert nimo into cash, if you really compute the monthly interest rate, sometimes it makes sense compared sa mangutang ka sa lain financial institutions. So dara po nato ma-take advantage ang kanindot sa ato ang credit card pagdako ta og credit limit. Personally guys, wala pa nako ni siya gitry, though makakita ko og mga messages na naga-offer sila og inana. It's just that sa kuha magud, as much as possible, I don't like to borrow money with interest. But sometimes pag kinahanglanon jud nimo and then you can make more money compared to the interest that you are paying for, then it makes sense gihapon siya. Kung napakailain questions about credit cards, ibutang lang sa comment section.